The 2022 Craft Mastery Summit. This is a brand new virtual summit designed for professional chefs
who are passionate about the craft and want to master the skills that they've been using throughout their entire career.
The virtual summit will be streamed live Sunday, January 30th from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. General registration is free. Once you register, you're going to get a private link that will allow you access to the site where you will be able to watch live on the 30th. You can expect over 10 hours of demos, live presentations, interviews, conversations from experts in leadership, mastery, and the fields that support the advancement of our craft.
As the speaker lineup for the Craft Mastery Summit comes together, I cannot express how excited I am. I have Master Chef Olivier Andrini, who's been a mentor in my career for almost 23 years now, coming in and talking about his apprenticeship, talking about the things that he did as a young cook that maybe we don't do so much anymore, and how that led to his mastery in the craft, to his passing the Master Chef exam, and to his heightened role in private clubs, in culinary institutes, and the way that he's been able to impact generations of chefs. Greg Marshall and Rick Ladendorf, they're going to come in and they're going to talk about the 21st century leader, the wholeness that's required, and the attention to all aspects of personal satisfaction, mindfulness, being, and working on being the leader that the industry needs. Next, we have Chef Chris Galarza. He's working as one of the foremost experts on kitchen electrification. I'm looking forward to hearing Chef talk about some of the advantages and some of the possibilities that exist in reducing kitchen temperature, in being able to help provide a more consistent product for your guests. To him, sustainability is about holistic view. It's being cost effective. It's about making the operation run more efficiently and leaving the planet better than when we found it. Master Chef Sean Loving is an amazing human being and someone who I'm very proud to call a friend. And his journey through the Master Chef exam was a very bumpy road. And I'm really excited to share with you a conversation that we had as he talks through some of those steps and some of his big lessons that he took in his 7-year journey from the first time he took the Master Chef to when he passed it. He had great foundations. He had the will to master the craft. I'm hosting the Craft Mastery Summit with all of these colleagues, with professionals, and with people that I have a tremendous amount of respect for. So I'm really excited to share with you the power of the first draft. I think iteration is really a key to understand and to embrace the challenges of process that we need to in order to be successful in everything in our life, in our personal life, in our work, in our career, in our craft. So I'm looking forward to sharing some of my bumps, some of my bruises, and how those have led to some of the best breakthroughs. I mean, after all, the process is the prize. The process is what turns us into the person that we need to be in order to be successful. Next, we have two really special people that I've worked with and that I've gotten to know over the past year, Paul and Chrissy Jensen of The Dotted Line. Chrissy Jensen just passed the CEPC completely gluten-free. They're going to introduce us to a bit of their process in how they've developed some amazing recipes, some amazing mixes that they now offer as well. Those mixes allow you to produce great examples of brownies and pies and cakes without saying first, it's gluten-free. And how they got there is a beautiful story, which is why they're joining us on the Craft Mastery Summit, because I feel that that path to mastery requires curiosity, requires passion, and it requires the willingness to take things a step further. Master Chef Ken Arnone has been a tremendous mentor in my career. In fact, between Master Chef Ken Arnone and Olivier Andrini, I've kind of had my two posts of my mentors as I've come up through the ranks. As I've grown and as I was getting ready for the exam, the two of them were where a great majority of my understanding and where the refinement of my philosophies came to be. Ken Arnone and I have shared many deep conversations about mastering the craft, about what it takes to be a true craftsman, about what it takes to be a fundamentally sound chef. I am incredibly anxious for him to be able to share some of those conversations with you.
In many cases, we as mentors have negotiated the majority of the obstacles that you are currently experiencing. It's my intention for you to be able to take away from this event these lessons and apply them immediately to your life, your operation, and your team. These are the mindset shifts, the techniques, and the strategies to operate at the level of a master chef, even if you've never worked for a master chef before.
See, I wouldn't be where I am if I hadn't had questions answered and had the work that I've done with these great chefs. Please, enjoying the time and the energy that we're putting into this.
I can guarantee that you're going to take away dozens of strategies that you're going to be able to apply to your life, your operation, and your work from the day that we spend together. Over the past couple of years, I've had many conversations with chefs who are looking to get started towards the Master Chef exam or towards Chef of the Year to be successful on the Culinary Olympic Team. And the questions are all a little different, but they all come down to the same thing. And the answer is to become a master of the craft of cooking. You're tired of looking for a starting point? What I'm going to say is stop looking, join us, and get on a path. I look forward to seeing you soon. Click down below to register. Again, registration is free, and I look forward to talking to you soon.